How to sell Canva templates on Creative Market. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can sell Canva templates on Creative Market. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Canva, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Canva, it is a versatile graphic design platform that enables users to create a wide array of visual content without requiring extensive design skills, in which Canva offers an intuitive drag-and-drop interface that simplifies the process of producing professional quality graphics. And users can access thousands of customizable templates for various projects, including social media posts, presentations, infographics, and marketing materials. And the platform is particularly well-suited for beginners due to its user-friendly design tools and extensive library of royalty-free images, icons, and fonts. And from here, to create your account, you can simply click the link in the description. And now to start selling a Canva templates on Creative Market in here. But before that, if you don't know what is Creative Market, it is an online marketplace specializing in user-generated design assets, offering a vast array of products such as fonts, graphics, templates, illustration, and stock photography. And now to start selling a Canva templates on this platform, the first thing that you need to do is of course to sign in your account on Creative Market. And you could also search on the search bar on the top panel in here a kind of templates that you want to sell in here. But to start selling, you simply go to your creativemarket.com/sell, and from here it will show us that you can simply click this open a shop to start selling on this platform as a seller. And after that, from here, the next thing that you need to do is simply log in your account and verify your email address in here. So just go to your email inboxes and click this confirm email that has been sent to you. Then you will be directed on this page in which it will show you in here the shop center and the overview about how you can start setting up your store on Creative Market and start selling in here the Canva templates. Now going back on this page again right here, we can start searching on the search bar in here the kind of templates we want to sell on this platform. For example, I'm going to enter here book cover template. So can I click this result in here, and upon clicking on it, you'll be able to see all of the results that you can use as your guide in setting up or start selling a book cover template also in this platform. And as you can see in here, there's a variety of options to choose from. But for example, I'm going to choose this one. By clicking on it, we'll automatically be directed on this page. And from here, it will show us the media files of this book mockup design. While on the right side panel, it will show us the pricing of it, the product specs, the category, and also below here under about the product, it will be able to show us all of the details about this kind of product. So basically, we can use this as our guide in creating on this Canva. And now to proceed, just click this create a design button right here. And in this pop-up window, just click this ebook cover. Then we will be able to be directed on this blank canvas. So from here, we can start creating our own book cover template. And we could also use, for example, on the left side panel, some of the editing tools, such as elements, text, brand uploads, and many more. But for instance, I'm going to use the elements in here in creating my sample thumbnail. So you can simply drag and drop in here in order to start using or designing your own canvas. You could also change the color of it using the color palette in here. And for the background color of this, I'm going to choose this light gray. So that is basically what the book looks like. And for the text, you could also add here, for example, add a heading text. And for this context, I'm going to enter your book title. So basically, this is all just a sample or thumbnail of what your design looks like. Or when a customer tries to purchase your template, this is basically the media files that they will see. So now as you can see, we have now successfully created here this kind of design outline or thumbnail. We can now proceed by going on the left side panel and click elements to start adding a button, in which that button will serve as our way in order for the customer to be directed or to view the kind of template design that we were creating. So just simply choose here a kind of button that you prefer. For example, I'm going to choose this one right here. So in this banner, I'm going to enter here a context that says click here, in which if the customer try to click this banner, they will be directed on the page in which they will see or view the template that we're creating or the design of it. And in order to add here the link, you simply right click on it and click the link option below here. Upon clicking this one, it will show us in here on this pop-up window that we can simply enter the link in here. And on this page, the link that we're going to paste in here contain the design template that the customer can view. And for that, we're going to create another project in here, but at this point, it is now the template. So just click this ebook cover, and from here, on this blank canvas, just simply create here your own design depending on your preferences. But at this point, I'm going to select on the left side panel under some of these elements or templates that is offered for free in here. For example, I'm going to click this one right here and drag it to this canvas. And to add more page, just click this add page button. And on this page again, I'm going to add or simply drag some of the templates in here that is offered for free. But you could also start customizing it depending on the design that you want. So from here at this point, I'm just going to select again or add the pages and simply drag some of this book cover that is offered for free on this template by simply dragging it on this canvas. And if you're now done, you can now start customizing some of this. For example, on this title, I'm going to enter your title. So if the customer try to purchase this template, they can simply customize it by entering here the title of their book cover and also their name in here as the author. So we can do that on the same kind of ebook in here on the same page, title and also author in here. But you could also manage to edit it or customize it using on the left side panel some of the editing tools, including elements. And if you also want to add text in here, you can do so. But at this point, I'm just going to enter here title and author in order for the customer to know where they need to put the title and also the author name. And let's say you're now done customizing or creating your own design, just click the share button on the top right corner. And you could also start downloading it by clicking this download button and choosing the file type into PDF. And after selecting the file type, just proceed by simply clicking this download button in order to start downloading the template that we just created. Now moving on to this collaboration link, you could also set this to anyone with the link. But at this point, I'm going to enter here, can view. So the customer will not be able to edit or customize this template. Now after copying the link of it, go back on this page again and simply enter the link that we just copied and click the done button. So from here, if the customer try to click, this one will automatically be directed on the page where they can start viewing the template that we just created. But they cannot customize or download the template that we just created, since in order for them to download or to customize or have access to that kind of template, they need to purchase it on Creative Market, since we're selling it on that website. So this is basically what it looks like, where the customer cannot download or customize this template. Now if you're now done, you can simply download the thumbnail and also the file in here. Then just proceed by going back to this Creative Market and start selling by simply entering here all of this information like this one, including about product or the details of it, the product specs, video files, thumbnail, and many more. So you can basically use this as your guide in selling your own digital product or templates in here. But again, make sure to also set up your shop in here in order to do so. But overall, that is just basically how you can sell Canva templates on Creative Market. Thank you.